Oh, guys, let's go. We got people that are hungry. All right, we have now 4 robots for this last match before lunch. Excellent. 1718A and 9850F will go up against 459 and 1718C. So we have 2 teams from the same school going up against each other. We'll see how this works out. Red, are you ready? Let's get this done. Blue, are you ready? Okay, autonomous. 3, 2, 1, go. 459 quickly pops into position. They pick up a mobile base. Nicely done there by 459 and drops it off. Boy, that was quick. Whoa, you can't get on the field. You cannot get on the field. You can touch it, but you cannot get on the field. Okay. Yeah, you need to walk around. It's what? Okay, drivers, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, now it's working. Okay. 459. After that autonomous, red did get autonomous on that. So, oh, they missed with the cone. Oh, 1718C quickly drops one for the 20 point for red. They bounced around very hard and have dropped off one of their license plates. 459 puts the 3rd mobile goal in there for red. 1718C trying to get that last one. Coming up with 65 seconds to go in this last match before lunch. Oh, they drop it. 459 lining up for the high goal. And they get it scored. That'll give them a bonus there for the high point. 48 seconds to go. 1718C trying to release and get that last mobile goal score there for the Red Alliance. Coming down on 35 seconds to go in this match. 1718. Trying to get some help from their partner to push away from it so they can release with 25 seconds to go. Blue trying to add a second mobile base. 16 seconds to go, they get it in. Red has 3, but they're trying to get that last one. They get it, but it's in the low. They need to get up with 8 seconds to go. And he does. He gets it there with 4 seconds left. Can they both park? They get them both in there. Nicely done there at the end by red. That is our last match for lunch. Guys, enjoy your lunch. Meet us back here at 12:45. 12:45 for match number 47.